Hello. Please help me how to zoom on the navigation screen. When I push on the screen, I can zoom in and out, but when I go on select, it tells me either to make a new route or waypoint or final destination to the red dot. So I cannot find out to zoom either in and out on the navigation system. They do it something automatically, but not zoom out very far. I wait for your reply. Thank you.